Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can disable location sharing with my AI in Snapchat. So let's just get started. I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So just follow my direction guys. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you're going to do is just go to your chat and just find my AI conversation. So mine is on top right here. Just go over there, and then what you need to do is just go to my AI profile by just clicking on it. Then you'll be in this profile section. From here, where you have to go is on your top right corner, you'll see three dot icon. Just go over there, and then all the way down, you'll be having the option which says location settings. Just below privacy settings, you'll find the location settings. So just go over there, and you'll be having an option which says mute my AI's location. So currently it's toggled off. You have to toggle it on like this and press OK, and then press on done. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.